Hi to everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you something really exciting because I don't know another platform that allows you to make 100% profit. Okay, it's not 50, not 78, not 89, it's 100% profit. That's absolutely great. That's just amazing. So I've made $100 bet, and just a second ago I got $100 plus. This is almost incredible. This is absolutely amazing. So all the useful links, guys, before I've started, all the useful links under the video in the description panel. You can find it. You can go, you can click on those links. You can pass the absolutely free registration, and of course you can try to trade on this asset. As you saw, right now there is no 100%, but I just made $100 on it, and this asset, of course the percents is changing all the time, but the 100% is just something great and unbelievable. Go via the link, pass the registration, it's absolutely free, and try it yourself. Try to gain money yourself. This is much more better and much more easier than to go to work every day, work hard, and stay at the office, etc. So let's find out what we can make on binary option in just couple minutes. I believe that this method, this platforms in general, internet, the World Wide Web gives you the hundreds, the thousands of opportunities to make money online, just from your home or from any place in the world, from any place, literally. Right now I will show you how to try to make money on the binary option platforms. Even if you're making mistakes, even in that case, as you saw right now, I've lost $100 that I've got like a couple minutes ago. Mistakes is absolutely normal situation, absolutely normal. Why this is okay? Because there is a way to change that. There is a way for sure. I want to show it to you. Okay, all right. I want to show it to you. So if you've lost your previous bet, I had $100. If you made a mistake, such things happens all the time. Yeah. Even very experienced traders making mistakes, and this is no big deal, and this is just okay and all right. If you make a mistake, you need to make amount of your bet 2.5 times bigger to cover up all the losses that you've made previously. As you can see, to 150, I've lost 150. That means 100 and 150, $350. So I'm making amount of my bet 2 times bigger, 2.5 times bigger. Why? Because expected profit is $456. So if my next prediction will be correct, I will get back my money that I've spent and make a profit. When you will understand that issue, that simple thing, that simple issue, you will try and you will get money for sure anyway, even if you're losing some bets, even if you're making wrong predictions. So in that case, you just need to have some free amount of money, and I suggest you to start trading with a simple and low amounts. If you will try to stay on the platform more, if you will stay on the platform longer, that means you can make more money and you can make more profit, even if you making mistakes. I'll repeat it for those who are just not listening, okay? Right, my next bet is $550. If the price will go down, because I believe that the price will, or if it's not, it's okay. It's just will be one more mistake, and I will literally make it success. Make a success from the mistake. This is the greatest thing I ever found in internet, and that's it. All right, okay. The price is going up and down. All the signals was just about the price will go down. Let's count a little bit. 100, 150, and 550. That means I need to make, for example, 1,200 on the 83%. On the 83%. So what's happening? The price is going down. Let's roll a little bit. The price is unstable. This is good from one side, and this is bad from other side. It's much more better when the price is going up and down all the time, because in that case you have the opportunity to make money faster and much more safer. If you don't want to invest like from the start, if you don't want to invest money, the real money, or you don't have them, for example, you can start from small amounts first of all, and the second of all, result is 0. That's that happened because my prediction point and this point is on the same line. Okay, I'm not changing the amount. And let's see what's gonna happen. The prices go down, I'm sure of it. So if you want to just try and you don't have a lot of money, like for example me, I have a lot of money, I'm trading all the time, and I have some amount I can afford to lose some money, but I don't like that. I don't love to lose money. Okay, nobody likes to lose money. Everybody loves to gain and make money, and as more as possible. So if you want to try, as you can see, I was close but no. The market is unpredictable today, but this is okay. That's okay. I will show. This is the great situation. This is absolutely great situation, because I can show you how you will act with this, even if for example 4,400, for example, 3 and 6. All right, even if you're making mistakes, you just need to have some amount of money to make your amount 2.5 times bigger each time when you make a mistake. And the next bet, the next one, which you're gonna win, this will cover up all the losses that you've made with the mistakes. As you can see, the market is pretty hard today. It's pretty hard, but all the indicators says that movement is great. It's moving all the time, and we can make money on it. For sure, we can make money on it. Let's see. Which button will we press right now? Which one? I think the price will go down. Because you see, there's a cross of this line. This is resistance levels. If this graphs is under the resistance levels, that means the price will go down, because it's moving all the time on this side. Let's see what's gonna happen. 4,400. It's hard. You can see it yourself. It's hard, but it is win. But I was close to lose. I was close, as you can see. All the truth. All right, $3,652 just in one click, just in one bet. And I want you to understand, I've lost a lot of money because there was 3 or 4 bets that I've lost, but I made amount of my bets 2.5 times bigger each time, and when I get profit, I'm changing it back to my previous amount. And in that case, I can stay longer on the platform, I can stay more, I can spend more time, I can make more bets, and in that case I will get profit anyway, because I'm saving money on my account. I'm growing this amount of money with a small steps. You should try it yourself. This is very interesting, very exciting, and this platform allows you just to make 100% just in 1 minute, literally in 30 seconds. So guys, all the useful links under this video, you can find them. Go do it, just act, do it, go with the link, pass the free registration on the platform, get your practice account, get more experience, and go for it. Go and make money. I wish you big profits, I wish you good luck. See you in the next videos. I showed you all that I know.